Hi dear friends, we have a product named Fairseal Flexible. Fairseal Flexible is a gun grade 2-part polysulfide sealant used for sealing expansion construction joints between structures in building construction like infill panels, metal finishes, and in civil engineering structures like basements, buildings, walls, brickwork joints, etc. Fairseal Flexible is suitable for sealing vertical joints only. The benefits of using Fairseal Flexible are: it has excellent adhesion to most common substrates and has quick curing with low shrinkage. It has resistance to aging influences, physical damage, and climatic extremes. Fairseal Flexible has resistance to petrol, diesel, jet fuel, and most other common solvents, and also unaffected by mild acids and alkalis. It has excellent weathering characteristics with resistance to rain, snow, heat, and UV light. It accommodates continuous and pronounced cyclic movements. Fairseal Flexible is supplied in 1 kg and 5 kg pouch containing a base component and hardener curing agent in the correct proportion, which when mixed together cure to form a fairly stiff rubber-like material. When cured, the sealant exhibits excellent adhesion to most surfaces including concrete, glass, aluminium, and stainless steel. It is to be used for the highest performance in sealing expansion joints where large movement is anticipated in concrete construction and for joints between diverse construction materials. Application of Fairseal Flexible is as under. Prior to the application of the sealant, all joint surfaces should be thoroughly cleaned and dried and primed with Fairseal primer. Loose particles, dirt, dust, protective lacquer, oil, and grease should be removed by vigorous brushing with a wire brush and by means of a suitable cleaner, for example with kerosene. After the primer is applied, it has to be relatively dried before sealant is applied. Deep joints which the sealant does not adhere, example closed cell polyurethane form, which should be tempered into the joint to the required depth. Fairseal Flexible sealant is supplied as base in a pack and hardener curing agent in tin, ready for mixing. In order to mix both the compounds thoroughly, it is preferable to use a slow speed electric mixer with suitable blades or paddles with a speed less than 300 rpm. Ensure thorough mixing till a uniform color is obtained. Failure of the sealant will often occur if it is not completely and thoroughly mixed. Now, to obtain a smooth surface, the sealant has to be tooled by drawing a flat tool like a stainless steel spatula over its surface. After sealing, the tools and equipments must be cleaned with kerosene. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.